Yeah, y'all, I know it's very rare footage. Y'all catch me getting my hands dirty. Well, not really my hands, but you know what I mean. Getting my hands dirty, man. I ain't used my what's the name? Man, I told every car up of mine trying to find this damn oil wrench. I know I had it. I was like, man, I'm gonna have to bite the bullet and go up here to Advance or AutoZone or something and uh and rent one of they damn what's the names. I have to buy another one of them damn oil wrenches. I was like, man, I know for the mechanics, man, and the ones who building their cars and working on their car, when you can't find your goddamn tool, man, it's crazy. I got so many tools, man, so many. You know what I'm saying? And all my shit be organized, but that little motherfucker was hell. I'm telling you, I took apart that one. That one took my speakers out of that motherfucker, man. And that box big as fuck. Man, definitely tore this one apart because this was the last time, the one I worked on before, the last one that I did an oil change on. But yeah, anyway, I found that motherfucker. So, I just changed the filter, drain the oil out. Now it's time to put the oil in. Then I got my gaskets for to take these old valve covers off. For to put my new ones on. And I'll be right back at y'all.
Alright, man.
I still got my old valve covers on. The new ones I got doesn't have a cap. I don't know. They them stupid ass performance shits. Of course, I got it for the look. So when I do have to do an oil change, I'm going to have to take the whole damn valve cover off. I don't know if y'all can hear me good, but hopefully y'all can. It's crazy. I bought a microphone and everything. I still ain't even put it on. And I got a industrial type of microphone as well for my other camera, my camera rig and stuff. I still ain't. I be tripping. But yeah, like I was saying, I got a for the new valve covers. I They don't have the cap, so that's why I'm doing this now because I'm gonna get ready to change those out. So at least I have fresh oil in, and plus I'm not driving this car anyway until I complete my bill. I think I had an oil leak as well. When I just got up under that, I couldn't really tell. I'm gonna get in on I'm gonna go on the other side to see so I can rectify that. But I made sure because I don't know about the oil pan, but I did make sure that my filter was tight, that the bolt also was tight. But I'm changing everything out on this, so y'all stick with me. Stick with me, stick with me. And watch this bill come to life. Like I say, I already got my radiator fan, my holder bracket. intake manifold. Got my distributor, got the wires. Like I said, I got my valve covers, got a new water pump. I'm waiting on my timing cover. The hoses, I got steel, and I got some dope ass steel hoses, radiator hoses for the top and the bottom. That's gonna be a nice look, nice fit. Trying to check around, see everything I got. Of course, y'all know I got all the little fittings and stuff like that, like the other little knick-knack stuff. So yeah, I'm waiting. Like I said, I'm waiting for my hold on one second. I'm waiting for my timing cover, waiting for my radiator hoses. Oh shit, and the reason why I haven't put my radiator in is because I ordered a relay. Cause you know in the old school, you know, I can't see. Well, first let me finish this, and I'm gonna show you. I also hate doing really super long videos, so I try to cut it. Finish pouring this. I got one more quart I'm gonna probably put in. Prop that up. Okay. That oil on my hands still fucking. But yeah, as y'all know, even in the old school, you know, the old school got fucking shit ton. You know, in the old school, you got the fan. You know, so the fan is belt driven. So yeah, so even though it's belt driven, so it didn't have that electrical shit. So I did get some regular relays without the wires. I bought the wires separate. Then I tried to hook that up and do all that old nigger rig manufacturer bullshit. Man, it wasn't worth it. So anyway, I ordered the ones with the wires. Well, I took those back. Ordered the ones with the wires, so I'm waiting on those. Then I'll be hooking my fans up. I mean, hooking my radiator up with the fans and everything. And then I gotta wait on the hoses anyway. So, but yeah, today we focusing on today we focusing on the valve covers. So I'm gonna take these old ones out, these old factory valve covers, and I'll cut y'all on in a second. Let me get them in a minute. Got the gasket. I gotta put my sealing on and do all that. But I'll cut y'all on in a second. Give me one moment. All right, y'all. I'm back. I'm back. Come on, focus in. All right. Yeah. See, I already been using that. I forgot what the hell I used it on. Got my old dusty ass Mr. Gasket. However, these right here, super thick. Super thick. Guaranteed no leaks with that Mr. Gasket. Got that. And see what I saying? There are no what's the name? Like that. So man, get this goddamn old ass jacket. Man, I love these old ass jack. And this crazy, this the jack that came. Not well, it didn't come with this. I done had other old schools before, but that's the one for this, and it works wonders. Damn. Let me see. Hold on one second. Let me set this up. Cause I can't do this shit with one hand. I ain't no super mechanic. I can do this shit, but give me a second for to set it up. Yeah. Taught to work smart, not hard. Got a baby sludge hammer. Plus I'm a trucker, so need this shit for them tires. Alright, we got it. Come on. Goddamn wire in the way. Gasket look pretty good. A shop towel, but I damn sure got microfiber towel. Get this sludge and shit up out of here. Shit, it look pretty good in here. A little bit of sludge. Yeah. My rocker arms look good, everything straight. My rods look good. One, 3, 5, 7. Yeah. I forgot I had this holding it up. Y'all give me a second. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a second. But anyway, give me a second. I'm finna put these on. And fit these. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna cut y'all right back on. We ain't gonna miss a beat. 1 second. gang. Just a recap. I'm gonna be real quick. My camera cut off. I don't know the reason why. Right when the damn alternator is sparked, and I was like, damn, I need to undo my battery. Tripping. Should have thought about that from the beginning. But hey, you live, you learn. So far, I got my front end broke down. I'm probably gonna go ahead on and put my radiator in, and then I'm gonna wire up the fans when they come. I mean, my parking spot is right there on the side of my other Chevy, so I mean, I'll probably do that. So I'm finna put my other valve cover in, the gasket on, let me turn, which is right here, and I cut you guys on right when I make that progress and everything, and then like when I get ready to start on my radiator, I already took the top hose off. I'm gonna take the bottom hose off, and damn, I'm tripping. Yeah, so I already took my top hose off. Where my finger at? I already took my top hose off. Take my bottom hose off. Disconnect my transmission coolant and whatnot, and shit. We should have it done before nightfall. It's about 5:40 here, so should be wrapped up by 7. I'm gonna keep y'all posted until about another hour or so. Give me a second. All right. What's up? This your boy Bob Chevy Reggie, aka Smash and Grab. When we smash that ass, grab that cash. Unfortunately, I ain't racing no more, but I probably get back into that at a later date. But this is right now with my build on my 87 box Chevy, which I'm sitting in right now. Try to make this video short as I can because I did a lot of filming yesterday, which you'll see. I'm gonna try to cut it down and I'm gonna shorten it down and whatnot. But this is what I was doing yesterday was I did the oil change, and then I did my valve cover gaskets and whatnot. But I ran into a huge problem. Now I can't even crank my damn car, because if I do, check it out. Ugh. Flip it around. Oh, and I took the fan cover off. I was getting ready to take my fan out, but I don't know if you can see 2 of those bolts. They're kind of stripped. Where the nuts, they're stripped. So I'm gonna have to saw that off. So I'm gonna do that in a few. I'm gonna take this radiator out. But anyway, getting back to what I was talking about, I want you to be able to see the belt. God damn. All right, there it is. You see the belt is not lined up on the alternator, because with these aftermarket valve covers, my electric screw right here was touching this, so it couldn't sit inside the correct bracket. So now I'm gonna have to purchase aftermarket bracket to sit my alternator up a little bit. Sit my alternator up a little bit away from this. So I'm gonna have to buy aftermarket bracket to put it right there to get this back lined up, because if I do try to crank it up, the belt will jump off the what's the name. I just put it back on just for the look and everything, but of course it cannot sit inside of here. So I have that bolt right here. And that's where we'll go from here. But y'all stay tuned. Stay tuned. I want you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you like it, man. Really like it. You know, shit. Get in the comments. Comment on what you think I should do. Of course, I'm gonna get ready to edit this video and knock it all, knock it down a little bit. Cause I filmed a lot yesterday. Yeah, and share with let's get it out there, man. But this is gonna be a nice build. I say the least. So I am gonna film, and I'm gonna do that today. Of course, I ain't gonna be pushing that out today. I'm gonna push this video out after I edit it and everything. But I am going to cut this fan off. Let me turn this back around. Since it's two nuts that strip, I'm gonna cut that fan off. Take my radiator out. I'm still waiting on the hoses, but I'm still gonna take it out. Take that out. And that's basically all I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna put my new radiator in, order my bracket. So clearly I'm not gonna be driving, so I'm gonna be sitting right here for a while. Order my bracket. Yeah. And then I'll be doing all the rest. Distributor, timing, cover, water pump, intake manifold, new carburetor, all of that. I'm gonna be putting that on, and then I'm gonna work my way down to putting on new headers. Then sometime next year, I'll be redoing my suspension. Even though this motherfucker rides like goddamn a dream, this joint pulls like floats like milk or cotton, like you on some clouds or something. It already drives good, but the guy who I bought it from, I think he had changed. He had got the control arms, but he got them from the junkyard, which they still are good. But me, the way I do it, like even my Chevy over here, I put about 3,000. No, I put more than 3,000 in my suspension, upper, lower control arms, shocks, struts, rear trailing arm. So yeah, when I do it. And that's what I'm going to be doing on this one. But I'm gonna do that sometime next year after I get finished doing, all up under the hood and everything. So guys, stay tuned, stay locked in, stay plugged in. I appreciate the love, the support, friends, family, and shit. I'm gonna keep dropping bangers, man. I'm gonna keep coming with it. But like I say, another thing too, I'm gonna show the good with the bad. So right now, we fucked up. My goddamn belt leaning sideways, but there's always a fix for something. So I'm gonna buy a little aftermarket bracket, attach it on, so my radiator can, not my radiator, my alternator can sit up a little bit. And also with the new hoses, I'm gonna probably configure those. They're gonna be steel, so I'll be able to, kind of bend those a certain way. So y'all stay tuned, stay locked in, stay plugged in, man. This your boy Bob Chevy Reggie, aka Smash and Grab, man. I love you. Appreciate the support.